Well, the number one bird within the NIA really is the tree sparrow, and that's the bird that we're putting up nest boxes for and that we're putting feeders up specifically for. And we've also got a lot of corn buntings that nest out in the crop fields. We have lots of yellowhammers. We've also got some barn owl boxes, little owls. There's also skylarks and linnets here. So it's very, very rich in farmland birds. Tree sparrows have declined by over 90% in the last 25 years. And they nest in holes in trees and also in barns. And so we're putting up nest boxes to replace those lost holes. And also, historically, they have fed at grain dryers, and also just because farming was so untidy, they just fed on spilt grain. And so by putting up feeders, we are providing that food source through the winter so that these birds can survive. We're creating the nest boxes so that they can then nest, and then the population has increased and the range has increased as well, just flying over now. This increase has happened across the NIA, and in fact birds are now leaving the NIA and going into the wider countryside. Within the NIA we've put up over 200 nest boxes now. Across the project as a total we've got nearly 1,000 nest boxes just for tree sparrows. So last year in the NIA we had 76 pairs of tree sparrows using our nest boxes, and they fledged 623 young fledged from those nest boxes. So what we're doing with this bird here is not only will we record the ring number so that we can see where and when this bird was ringed, but we're also putting a very special tag on called a pit tag. And this tag has a barcode inside it, which when we have a transmitter, we'll be able to read this tag. So with this tag on, if you put a metal ring on a bird here, it's got a unique number so that we can then, if we recatch this bird or it's found dead, we can record how long it's lived, where it's been. But with this tag here, we can now have a transmitter on a bird feeder or in a nest box, and we can record this bird automatically. So it's a far cleverer way of recording and a less invasive way. So these will gather us some incredible information. So with the bird here, I'll just record its ring number. Within the NIA, we have 70 odd pairs of tree sparrows in nest boxes, and every tree sparrow gets, or every tree sparrow's egg will get counted. All the young will be recorded and then ringed. And then our plan through the winter is to try and recapture these birds so that we can see amongst all the network of sites how they've moved around the nature improvement area. So we'll just measure the wing of the bird, 73 mil. So we're now going to weigh the bird. This will record the health of the bird here. So it's 20.7 grams. And now we'll release the bird.